With the erector spinae out of the way, we can now look at and identify and discuss the deep group of muscles. They belong to the transversospinalis group. Why transversospinalis? Because they are attached to the transverse process of the cervical vertebral bones on one end, and going to the upper vertebral level, they are attached at the spinous process at the midline. So transverse process, one attachment point, spinous process, the other attachment point. So you can see the fibers starting from the transverse process. What I am palpating right here, transverse process of lumbar vertebral bones. The fibers run in that direction. So let me direct you to this part where we have the ribs. So this fan shape, or this triangular muscles, one end attached to the transverse process of thoracic vertebral bone, the other end attached to the ribs. Those muscles are the levatores costarum. So as the name of the muscle will tell you, levatores meaning they pull something up. What do they pull up? The ribs. So since they pull the ribs up, they are muscles for what? They are muscles for inhalation or inspiration. So for the transversospinalis group, there are three distinctive muscles of the transversospinalis group. We have the semispinalis. They span, or they are attached to more than 4 vertebral levels. They cross over 4 vertebral levels. And then we have the shorter muscles that are attached less than 4 up to at least 2 vertebral levels. These are the multifidus. And then the last distinctive muscle, which will span or it will cross over 1 vertebral level only. Those are the rotatores muscles of the transversospinalis group. Okay, superiorly, still part of the transversospinalis, we have the semispinalis. Semispinalis, I think I have identified and shown you this muscle in one video. So one end of the semispinalis is capitis. It's still attached to the transverse process of thoracic vertebral bones, while the other end is attached at the midline and to the head. So this thick ligament here, where muscles are attached, this is a structurally important ligament at the back of the neck. We call this the ligamentum nuchae, or the nuchal ligament.